How can eThread technology by Primo 1D help a company specializing in garment and textile manufacturing implement instant garment traceability and accelerate inventory speed and accuracy at every production stage? This is Christine Rose, running a renowned, vertically integrated luxury garment factory in Portugal. Despite her meticulous processes, she faces a recurring issue. Once the garments leave the factory for outsourced operations, dyeing, embroidery, specialized washing, the risk of mixing up or losing pieces increases. Manual tracking methods are unreliable. Workers spend long hours verifying inventory, and final packing lists sometimes don't match what's expected. Delays occur, trust erodes, and the demanding clients that Christine serves demand absolute precision and accountability. But today, Christine has a powerful solution: the eStrip C from Primo 1D. eStrip C, a textile ribbon equipped with a RAIN RFID tag that is sewn into the garment at the very first stage of production, enabling full traceability and authenticity verification throughout the entire manufacturing chain, including outsourced processes. With eStrip C integrated at the very first sewing step, each garment now carries an unalterable digital identity. No matter how many times it leaves the factory for dyeing, returns for embroidery, or heads back out for specialized washing, its journey is recorded. This ensures no mix-ups or lost pieces. Inventory checks become a matter of seconds, not hours, thanks to the mass reading. Packing lists are accurate and reliable, giving Christine and her clients complete confidence in the final count. Moreover, this solution enables Christine to avoid overproduction, produce on demand, and significantly reduce lead times and the environmental impact of her factory. For Christine Rose, eStrip C is a breakthrough. It streamlines the entire production and outsourcing process, saves valuable time, and builds strong trust with demanding clients. With eStrip C, her factory's operations gain a new level of efficiency, transparency, and excellence.